Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make Kahlua at home. It's a coffee-based liqueur and we'll be trying it side by side with the real thing to see how it compares, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Bryn from corkandjava.com. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a video. So as I mentioned in the intro, I am going to be doing your do-it-at-home Kahlua. So it's pretty simple and straightforward with what you need and how to do it. So you are going to need 1 cup of freshly strong brewed coffee, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of rum, or you can substitute vodka if that's your preference, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So for the coffee, Billy brewed this for me. He did a 4:6 ratio of the pour over method. There's actually a video that he can link in here so you can see how to do that method so you can get some strong brewed coffee. So what you're going to want to do is take your coffee, pour it into your saucepan. I'm going to get this going just over medium-high heat. Pour in your coffee and then have a cup of granulated sugar. All right, so I'll just hang on a second, let that come to a boil, and check in with you in a minute. Okay, so I've got a boil going here. You can see it's just a low boil. What you're gonna wanna do is reduce the heat so it's just simmering for like 10 minutes or so, and then remove it from the heat to let it cool completely, because we don't wanna put the alcohol in with the boiling water or the boiling coffee. It'll just take the alcohol right out. So this for 10 minutes, let it cool completely, and then we'll check in to add the rum. Okay, so now our coffee syrup solution has cooled, so we're gonna add the rum and the vanilla extract. Tablespoon. Have about a cup of rum. I'll just stir it. It smells great. It smells like coffee. Like it's sweet, but like you can smell a little bit of the sugar, like caramelized sugar maybe. And so then what you can do is just pour it into your container. It'll keep, I read online that if you store it properly, it can keep up to 3 years. Don't know if that's true. Don't know why you would have this much Kahlua take 3 years to drink, but you can also use it in you know, your baked goods and stuff. So there's a lot of uses for Kahlua other than just cocktails. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try a shot of the name brand Kahlua, and then a shot of the homemade stuff that I just made, and see how it compares. So I've got our Kahlua and the name brand Kahlua, so I'm gonna try ours first. So I wanna see how it turned out. Actually good. Not that I always act so surprised when it turns out well, but it is good. Okay, now for the actual Kahlua coffee liqueur. It's a little bit different, but like I feel like this might have a little bit more vanilla flavor to it, and it's sweeter, I think, but it's like on point. I feel like it's a pretty close comparison. So yeah, maybe if this one had a touch more vanilla and just a smidge more sugar, you probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Leave a comment below with what your favorite Kahlua cocktail is. And if you don't like cocktails, give me a recipe maybe that has Kahlua in it. I'd like to know your favorite. Okay, so there you have it, DIY Kahlua at home. Make sure you guys find us on Facebook and Pinterest and Twitter. There's great content and great community in all those places, so don't miss out. Looking forward to seeing you guys online, so until next time, bottoms up.